With BI 4.1, SAP Crystal Reports for Enterprise supports freehand SQL commands, enabling report developers to optimize queries for relational data sources. Subreports are no longer restricted to the same data source type as the main report. For example, it's now possible to create a report based on a UNX universe with a subreport based on a BEX query. A Verify All Data Sources command has been added, enabling you to ensure at any time that the report reflects any content and metadata changes to the data source. Many improvements have been made to better support working with SAP BW data. Variable selection now occurs before a query is loaded if there's at least one mandatory variable that does not have a default value. Default variable values set in BEX queries now take precedence over any selection made in Crystal Reports for Enterprise when a report is saved without data. You can now toggle between the description and key for SAP BW variables. Key and description values can also be searched using the formula language. Level-based member selection is available for BEX queries with BW hierarchy variables. Level-based selection based on relative depth is available for BW hierarchy node variables. SAP ECC-based universes containing optional parameters with no default values are also now supported. The 4.1 release of Crystal Reports for Enterprise also offers increased support for working with data from SAP HANA. There is now direct OLAP access to analytic and calculated views, including hierarchies and variables. Authored relational universes based on HANA now offer variable support. SSL encryption can be done using JDBC or ODBC. Finally, single sign-on authentication is supported through Security Assertion Markup Language, or SAML. You've now reviewed the new features in SAP Crystal Reports for Enterprise 4.1. Thanks for watching.